This is the second lesson for the Arabic alphabet. The second letter is ba. In this lesson, you will learn how to pronounce the letter, and you will know how to pronounce the letter with the short and long vowels, and you will also know how to recognize the letter, whether it's at the beginning of the word or in the middle or at the end. And finally, you will learn how to write it correctly. Arabic letters can be hard to pronounce, but after taking this lesson, you will be able to pronounce ba perfectly. Ba. It's pronounced when you bring both lips together. Ba. Ba. Each letter in the Arabic language has 3 short vowels and 3 long vowels. But don't worry, it's so easy to learn. The short vowels for the letter ba are ba, bu, bi. And the long vowels are ba, bu, bi. Letters in the Arabic language change their form based on their location in the word. For example, in Bayt, which means a house, it's at the beginning of the word. But in Maktaba, which means a library, it's at the middle of the word. And in Maktab, which means office, it's at the end of the word, but it's connected to the letter before it. And here in Kitab, it's at the end of the word, but it's not connected to the letter before it. The letter ba is made up of 2 parts. The first part is a plate, and the second part is a dot under the plate.